Hi friends, today we are discussing about applications of trigonometry 10th class. Okay, exercise 2, fourth question. Let's go to the problem. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot tower is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Then find the height of the tower. First assume here one building is there. Here one building is there. Here one cell tower is there. Okay, here one building is there. Here one cell tower is there. So the distance between the building from the tower is 7 meters. 7 meters. Okay. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of top of a cell tower is 60 degrees. From the building top to cell tower top is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is okay. And the angle of depression to its foot of tower is 45 degrees. The angle of depression to its foot of tower is 45 degrees. Means here the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay, first of all, this is building. This is a building and this is a tower. This is a tower. Okay, the height of the building is HB. The height of the tower is HT. HT. So a person is seeing from here, top of the building, seeing that cell tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. He is seeing the cell tower foot. From the same place, he is seeing the cell tower foot. It is making an angle of depression is 45 degrees. From the triangle property, the angle shifting property, the 45 degrees is shifting to this 45 degrees. Okay. What is asking? The distance between the tower and the distance between building and the tower is 7 meters. Find the height of the tower. First, let's assume let height of the tower is HT. Height of the tower is HT. Height of the building is small hb, right? Okay. The angle of elevation from building to cell tower is 60 degrees. Angle of depression from building to top of the building to cell tower foot is 45 degrees, right? So first it seems to be like an tan theta application. Okay, let's go to the problem. So tan 45. Here tan 45 is there. Tan 45 opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Or height of the building by distance between building and tower. Height of the building. Okay. Height of the building by distance between building and tower is 7. Tan 45 value is 1 is equal to height of the building by 7. Height of the building is equal to therefore 7 meters. Height of the building is 7 meters. Okay, after that, tan 60 and tan 60 is equal to opposite side by same adjacent side. Here, adjacent side is distance between building and tower. But what is opposite side? So come to the opposite side is height of the tower minus height of the building. Height of the tower minus, so tan 60 means height of the tower minus height of the building. Height of the tower minus height of the building. Okay. If you know this problem is solved. Okay, height of the tower minus height of the building is equal to height of the tower minus 7 by 7 is equal to tan 60 value is root 3. Tan 60 value is root 3. So height of the tower minus 7 is equal to 7 root 3. Height of the tower is equal to 7 plus 7 root 3. Minus 7 go to outside plus. Okay, height of the tower is equal to 7 into 1 plus root 3. Take it as common. Okay. After that, height of the tower is equal to 7. 1 plus 1.732 becomes 2.732. Height of the tower is equal to 2 2 are 4, 2 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 22, 7 7 are 49, 51, 1, 5, 7 2 are 14 plus 5, 19.124 meters. Therefore, height of the tower is 19.124 meters.